Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about the what and the why of the digital transformation for financial institution. I'm Anup Singh. I'm the regional head for Africa for Microsoft Consulting. Digital transformation is offering the right combination of digital solution tools delivered digitally, riding on digital technology and providing seamless user experience. There are four components of digital transformation. The first component is business model and products. Financial institutions can look at digitization for fostering innovation across products and business models. Any product innovation involves utilizing technology and partnership to introduce specialized products and services. The digitization of products requires developing solutions that resonate with customers through addressing pain points rather than digitizing the use cases. There are significant opportunities for product level innovation as the existing products are not adequate, so clients are forced to take up semi-formal and informal products. They seek to derive additional value from their financial service providers and in many cases are willing to pay. Financial institutions may benefit from utilizing existing digital data trails and ecosystem players to deliver new products and services to clients. Leveraging technology to digitize the traditional channels will be key in accelerating digital transformation, especially with the proliferation of apps. The digitization of channels involves using technology platforms to improve customer acquisition and user experience while transacting. The emergence of digital platforms and alternative channels has profoundly changed the way customers do their banking. Only a few customers are willing to step into a bank branch. The more access points they have, the better the user experience. The third aspect is the processes. Automating and digitizing several repetitive, low value and low risk processes through process apps. Digital processes are quicker, more efficient and cheaper than manual processes. A digital transformation of processes reduces the cost and friction points of delivering services. It provides the data needed to supply a better service offering to end user and increasingly to businesses. Improvements in efficiency made possible by digitization can also help reduce the cost of sale for most products, thus providing opportunities to the financial institutions for more competitive pricing. Lastly comes the user engagement and experience. Technology can be used to increase a financial institution connectivity, not just with customers but also with employees and suppliers. A great user experience involves solutions and the manner of their delivery that mimic the behaviors and attitudes of users. The provision of services is clear, obvious, and intuitive for the end users. To build a customer-centric solution, focus on user experience, assess the user's bottleneck, incorporate the customer journey approach, embed the progressive learning curve of the users, implement design thinking, and personalize the user experience. Let us now look at what all digital transformation entails. The first component that digital transformation entails is customer centricity. It means that we have to focus on customer-centric products and services that are delivered digitally. We have to think about system-based parameters and behavioral assessment backed by robust data analytics. The second aspect is omni-channel presence, where the focus is to optimize all distribution and delivery channels. The third one is optimized and re-engineered processes, where efficient processes are delivered through end-to-end digitization. It enhances productivity and staff leverage. The fourth one is customer engagement, where the customer engagement and retention is enhanced. The reach to customers via multiple channels is enhanced and a digital brand for an institution is created. The fifth one is organizational alignment, which banks on robust IT infrastructure, aligned and strategic partnerships to deliver on the promises. And last one is risk management, which focuses on improved and proactive risk management, shared risk platform, and strong risk monitoring and reporting culture. Now let us look at why should financial institutions transform. This is a study from McKinsey which talks about the potential threats if an institution decides not to transform. The core threat that the institution faces in terms of innovation or innovative new offers coming from competitors impact its expenses year on year by about -13%. The second aspect is margin compression, which is another -16% change in expenses year on year. The third aspect is -6% change in expense year on year on increased operational risk. So overall, we see that the potential threats could be valued at -35% change in expenses year on year. On the potential opportunity side, if we look at the percentage change in revenues year on year, +5% change happens in form of increased revenue from innovative new offers in business model. +10% in form of increased revenue from new products, distinctive digital sales and using data to cross-sell, and plus 30% in lowering operational cost from automation, digitization, and transaction migration, giving us a total of 45% potential opportunity in terms of changes in revenue year on year.
Now let's talk about what are the opportunities that a financial institution have and why they should undergo a digital transformation journey. So one of the most important thing for a financial institution is that it helps them to provide um, better services to its clients. It helps a financial institution to offer new kinds of product rather than just a basic traditional product, and also be able to provide the products at a much affordable pricing because of productivity gains and efficiency gains. Then it also helps in increasing the revenue of financial service providers um, by helping them to provide a distinctive digital sales through digital mechanisms. And then also institutions can use the data that is generated through the digital channels and help it to cross-sell the product. Then it will also help to lower the operational cost of the financial institution through automation or through digitization, and also by transaction migration. Overall, it helps the institution to broaden its scope of operations, helps it to increase its outreach and improve the overall portfolio quality. In terms of the strategic objective of transformation, so it helps the financial institutions to gain additional revenue, improve its overall operational effectiveness and efficiency. It helps the financial service provider to maximize customer value and expand outreach. It helps to increase the effectiveness of operations, and then it helps the overall institution to cope with the competitive pressure that is there in the market, and then tap some of these emerging new strategic markets that are evolving because of the advent of digital ecosystem, and then explore new market opportunities. So this will help the digital transformation will help the financial institution to harness some of these strategic value.
The financial services industry, like many others, is experiencing a rapid change in digital. Digitization of its processes, channels, products, business models, and customer engagement offers financial service providers and customers a huge advantage. Digitization helps financial institutions streamline their business operations, reduce operational expenses, increase outreach, enhance brand image, and retain customers. At the same time, digitization also offers an opportunity to innovate and expand their product range as per the customer's emerging needs.
Innovations are creating new channels of staff and client engagement, expanding opportunities, as well as increasing efficiency of financial institutions. With the help of MetLife Foundation and Microsafe Consulting, Shakti Foundation has already made great strides in its digital transformation journey. We have already made great progress in providing innovative financial products and services to our low-income women by fast adapting to technology changes.
Hello, my name is Gerald Ilukwe. Chief Information Officer of Kaduna State Government. This government places a huge premium on digital transformation, and in this regard, we worked with MSc Microsafe Consulting to undertake a financial inclusion readiness assessment for the state. This is a key building block of our overall digital transformation strategy. Financial inclusion enables underserved and unserved citizens of the state to be part of the financial ecosystem.